council members, thank you for this opportunity, and thank you, Steve Castaneda, for your comments regarding this democratic process, the initiative process. I'm before you today to request that the city council do the right thing tonight and approve the city attorney initiative to be placed on the June ballot with no further delay, please. The fact of the matter is that proponents of the initiative to change the city charter from an appointed to an elected city attorney have twice gathered over 20,000 signatures to place this initiative on the ballot. And I sincerely hope this time there will be no scramble from opponents to find another so-called technicality in an attempt to stifle the initiative once again. Let the voters of Chula Vista determine whether our city has outgrown its current form of government, because our city is no longer a small suburb of San Diego, and we all know that. As it was 30 years ago when I moved here with my husband and young family, it's time for an evolved form of city government. Chula Vista needs an attorney who will represent and be responsible to the people and act in the best interests of the public while still ensuring that the proper checks and balances are in place to oversee an elected city attorney. You know, as one of the two original signatures on the initiative petition, I've been contacted by the media a number of times since this effort began, last year. A few times I've been asked if I personally have something against our current city attorney, or if we're supporting a particular attorney or individual for the position of elected. My response has always been absolutely not. I have nothing against the current city attorney, nor do I have anybody in mind if this election process should move forward. However, I have to share with you that I've had a rather unfortunate experience with the city attorney, and I'm sorry that she, left the room.
Ms. Casares, you realized she was required to leave the
Yes.
room. Okay.
In the last couple of months, this happened within the last couple of months, and that I find rather puzzling. In November, representing South Bay Forum, our organization, oh, by the way, South Bay Forum did take a position supporting the city attorney initiative as well, a formal position on that. But anyway, this occurred in November. I inquired about a case that was reported in the newspaper involving an altercation between police officers and a resident of Chula Vista. Because this case has now resulted in a lawsuit against the city, I was informed by the city attorney that she would have one of her deputy city attorneys look into the matter and respond to me within the next couple of days. 1 month later, still not having heard anything, I sent another communication to her, and to this day, I have not received a response. I find that rather puzzling and unfortunate. And I'm sorry, but I don't get it, particularly in the light of the fact that we've had this initiative issue in the forefront. I do want to thank, though, Chief Emerson, I don't think he's here, he was here earlier, and Mayor Cox also for acknowledging the communication, and to Chief Emerson for his willingness to meet with South Bay Forum representatives to share information on practices and procedures. Lastly, I just want to say again, let's move forward and let children vote. Thank you.
Thank you. Evelyn Heidelberg.
Good evening, Mayor Cox and members of the
Ms.
city.
Heidelberg, if you would move slightly, there we go, we're going to pick you up on the microphone.
Thank you. Yes, I'm Evelyn Heidelberg with Procopio, Corey, Murders, and Savage. I'm here on behalf of Earl Jens this evening, and we just want to echo the remarks of the previous speaker and indicate our support for the proposed election scheduling in June. We have heard that there was some discussion of being pushed to November. We think that that would be inconsistent not only with the intent of the voters, but with the intent of state law. We've got the city's general election coming up in June, and measures such as this should be heard promptly. It's been, as the previous speaker it's said, and as you well know, it's been the subject of two successive petitions now, with more than 20,000 votes, or signatures, and the will of a substantial number of people is that it be put on the ballot as soon as possible. And that's all I want to say this evening. Thank you.